listen, hurry up. Come on, let's go. I gotta get a chair with a charging port. The iPad is dead. I gotta charge it before I get on the plane. Never know if those things are gonna work. This one's dead. I gotta find one. They could be a little blue. That's why this chair is open. Okay. Any open up, go grab it. That guy looks like he's gonna get it. I just want to charge it. It's at like 80% metal. It's gonna die. It's gonna die. Did you just say limited overhead space? I'm not checking his bag. I'm not checking his bag. I'm telling you right now. It should be 10A, 10A. That's how it goes. This, it says one bag, one personal in. Hey, you see her? She's got like 4 bags. What the heck? How did she even get through? Supposed to have one bag, one thing. That's it. One bag, one personal item. She's got like 4. Her pocketbook is the size of a kid. What the heck? That's what. Look at that. Where's that guitar? He's got a guitar. Where's he putting that thing? See, that's the problem. That's the problem. Nobody follows the rules. Hey, what group are we in? Group A? So we should be boarding. Why is everybody swarming? Why is everybody swarming to the desk? They can't all be Group A. I think we need to get up. We need to get up. I don't care. I'm done charging. We need to get up. I don't know what's going on. I'm not checking this bag. I'm not checking this bag. Yeah, I'm freaking out.